Hi, okay, this is Drew. I'm with Tim Kelly. He's a client of ours. I asked Tim if he'd be so kind as to give us a video review of the services we've provided him. Tim's used some companies in the past and then has been most happy with what we've done for him. So Tim, would you mind sharing with our audience or people who come to Angel about a little bit about your experience with Angel?
Sure, it's been a good experience because we had some bad ones in the past. Used some big name companies that sell a lot of different products. Had a flooding problem, which, and beyond that, the water was never that great. And with Angel, we first put in a softener, and then after that, now I can't remember the name of the product. The
Ozone.
Ozone. And that cleared up a smell that we had coming out of our well, and the water's been great ever since. And better laundry, better clean dishes, just a better experience overall.
Great. Well, thank you. Did you find that you were able to save some money on your cleaning supplies?
Yeah, you don't need to use nearly as much. When you have bad water, you end up using a lot.
Yeah, it's one of the things we like to share with our clients. Well, great, Tim. We really appreciate you being a client. Thank you so much for being kind enough to do the video. Again, I'm Drew. Our passion is to be able to make your family, your home, and the environment more healthy. So along that line, we look forward to serve you and your family. Have a great day.